Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you how this one little purchase elevated my sink space. I love these MaisoNovo glass soap dispensers. Love the way they look in my kitchen. I chose the black and white apothecary style on the little cute concrete tray. It just elevates the space in a way. I love it. Comes with this cute little funnel so that you're able to refill your dish soap, hand soap, lotion, whatever you choose. It does come with all of those labels so you can decide which ones you want to use. I obviously prefer the dish soap and hand soap. That's what's most convenient for us at my sink. Love the way that they just look pretty and they're aesthetically pleasing. They match with my decor. Just overall very luxurious. They have a great quality. I love the pump. It's a nice sturdy pump with a very smooth pour, but it also has a stainless steel pump core so that it's going to be rust free, which I've been using mine for a while and I've got to say it's held up to 4 guys in my house, myself using it a lot, and it's been a wonderful, very high quality product. The glass feels very thick, very durable, so I don't worry about it breaking on us very easily. Just overall, I'm absolutely loving them. So all in all, I'm really happy with my purchase. I love the way these soap dispensers just really give my sink a more aesthetically pleasing look. Love the way it elevates the space. I know that you'll love it in your space too, and that's my point of view.